Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install LibreOffice. So let us start. First of all, go to your favorite browser and go to Google and search LibreOffice Office download. Enter. You can see here the website libreoffice.org. Click here and you can see for Windows it is available in different platforms like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. It's an open source software and it's free to use. Click here download. Here you can see it will download the LibreOffice. Now download has been completed. Click here and minimize this window. Setup window has been launched and you can click here next and click next and check this box. Create a shortcut on desktop. Click install and this will install the LibreOffice 3.7.3.5.2. If you see, as compared to Microsoft Office, it's free and more efficient than Microsoft Office. You have to pay for Microsoft Office package, but it's free to use and it's open source. And now click here close applications and attempt to restart them. Okay, now the installation has been completed. Click here finish and it needs to restart the computer. Click here note. You can see whether this will work or not. Click here. Now you can see it will open the LibreOffice. You can see here in different apps included with the LibreOffice package, that is LibreOffice Impress, LibreOffice Draw and LibreOffice Calculator and LibreOffice Base. Here you can click File and click New text document. Now you can see it's same like the Microsoft Word, and now you can write down here something. And you can save here. This was all about how to download and install LibreOffice, and I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching.